here we are at the Oatfield for round number 3, Frigid 7. Oatfield, one of our favorite tracks. Racing is already underway. We got 65 open first up. Is stacked. We got a ton of fast kids. The 7 to 9, a ton of fast 7 to 9 kids showed up today, so it's going to be some good racing, good gate drops. Looking forward to this race. 85 class. Good job, Cameron.
I blocked that one kid.
So, good start. Super straight. Perfect start. You were on fire on that start. It like left really nice and straight. Hooked good. Much better than last week.
Yeah.
You know why Deegan passed you?
Huh.
Because you looked at him. Swear to God.
Probably.
You came around that corner and you looked at him and he's like, all right, if you're gonna look at me, you can watch me pass you. And that's what he did. I think you could have held him off a little bit longer. But you looked at him.
You know that one kid that Dean passed that I was gonna pass?
You passed him.
You know that, I know. You know
down in the hole?
You know down in the hole coming into that corner? He went to get on the clutch on his way.
Nice. No clutch?
Huh?
That's how you passed him without using the clutch?
No, he was about to clutch it.
Oh. Yeah, we got a little rain out here at the Oatfield. I don't even have my GoPro here because kids are lining up. It's getting muddy. Crazy. See how they do. And here we go, our mud maniacs. Hey, stop! It's raining, it's muddy. Cameron and Deegan just got done. Look at the bike. And now, do we send Corbin out for 65 beginner?
Yep. No,
do we send him out for 65 beginner?
Hayden's going out there.
Yeah.
Hayden's going.
Hey, just have fun.
You don't gotta go fast. Well, you're not gonna go fast. He's doing it, folks. He's doing it. Look at this. You guys ready? We got Hayden here. He's killing it. He doesn't even want to ride his 50 anymore, probably. He's like, forget that 50. I just want to ride 65. Huh. All right, Corbin. He might actually go fast. We'll see how he does. It's been raining, it's muddy. We were gonna hold him back and not let him race, and we decided to put him in. So here we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Corbin's done, look at his boots.
That's my boots, and then I got my...
Was that fun?
I got 6 though.
That wasn't fun. That was like, it was like 50s again out there on the track. We got to go out on the track, chase them around, and we were picking up 65 kids left and right. Hayden even went down a couple times, but he was going fast. All right, that's it. We don't know what he ended up with. Cameron got a 3rd overall in 85 beginner. I think he got a 6th in open, and he got a 4th in age 65. So a 3rd, a 4th, and a 6th. Corbin's like, I think
6th and something.
A 6th and a 10th or something. So we're gonna pack up this mud mess. And Deegan got a 3rd in age.
Yep. 7th and 85.
7th and 85.
Yep.
So
What do you think? You like mud?
I'm tired from running around on the track.